Hey Lucy.
So today we're going to learn how to talk about number or amount.
Hey, is this going to take long? Because, I'm really busy.
Don't worry, it's only going to take a few minutes.
Okay, well I guess I've got a little time now.
Matt, you just used a quantifier.
Did I?
You said, I've got a little time. Let me show you. When you want to talk about a number or amount of something, you need a quantifier plus a noun. Like a few minutes or a little time. So, Matt, the first thing to remember is that a quantifier tells us how much or how many there are of something.
Okay, got it. And they come before the noun, not after?
Right.
Okay. Can I use any quantifier with any noun?
No, you have to be careful with that. So remember in English that there are two kinds of nouns, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are things you can count, like crayons, books, or cups. And uncountable nouns are things you can't count, like coffee, sugar, or milk. There are lots of uncountable nouns, and you just have to memorize them.
Phew. Okay, so which quantifiers go with which nouns?
Well, you can use some, any, or a lot of with both kinds of nouns. So some sugar, some cups, a lot of milk, lots of crayons, and so on.
What about with just countable nouns?
Okay, for countable nouns, you can use words like several, few, and many.
And uncountable nouns?
Well, for those, you can use words like a little, much, or a bit of.
Okay, that makes sense.
Cool. So today we learned how to talk about number or amount using quantifiers.
Thanks. And that didn't take much time.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.